Making of vitamin C shots with fresh turmeric, ginger, amla, and black pepper. I got frozen amla from Indian store, got fresh organic turmeric, ginger, and black pepper from Trader Joe's. You can get them in Whole Foods or any other good stores. Put this all in a Vitamix blender with 1 teaspoon of black salt, little bit of extra virgin olive oil, which helps with better absorption, and put lots of water. I think it says about like 1 liter of water for this. So let's blend a little by little with water. I am straining off all the golden liquid. Then we're going to have some now and then freeze some for later. That's all. Maybe we will have with some honey in the morning every day to help with cold and vitamin C.